Thinking of moving to New Providence, New Jersey? In this video, I'll take you on a full video tour of the neighborhoods around town, including a full aerial view of a few places you wouldn't be able to find elsewhere. To start with, the Murray Hill train station is a historic stop along the Gladstone branch of the Morris and Essex lines. This charming station offers commuters convenient access to both New York City and Hoboken. This line terminates in Gladstone. With its unique architectural style and a rich history, Murray Hill Station provides a distinctive travel experience. New Providence offers a diverse range of residential neighborhoods catering to a variety of lifestyles. For families seeking more space, the outer neighborhoods provide a suburban retreat with larger lots, mature trees, and a strong sense of community. These single-family homes offer ample room for indoor and outdoor living, making them ideal for raising a family. New Providence's excellent school system, low crime rates, and convenient access to major highways contribute to its status as a highly sought-after community for homebuyers. The downtown area features a charming mix of single-family homes, townhouses, and condos, perfect for those seeking a walkable lifestyle with easy access to shops, restaurants, and the train station. These properties often command a premium due to their prime location and desirable amenities. Adding to the area's appeal is a full-size Acme supermarket, offering exceptional convenience and contributing to the overall desirability of this sought-after neighborhood. This aerial view of downtown New Providence provides a clear perspective of its size and layout. The vibrant streets are lined with a variety of shops, restaurants, and cafes, creating a lively atmosphere. The New Providence Community Pool, visible in the distance, offers a refreshing escape during the hot summer months. Veterans Memorial Park is a serene oasis nestled in the heart of New Providence. This park offers residents and visitors a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The park's lush greenery and majestic flagpoles create a peaceful ambiance, perfect for relaxation and reflection. The park's expansive grounds, vibrant flowers, and serene walkway provide a lovely setting for outdoor activities and leisurely strolls. Veterans Memorial Park is a beloved community gathering place and a testament to the sacrifice made by those who served our country. Its prime location and proximity to desirable neighborhoods contribute to its appeal as a sought-after destination for residents and visitors alike. And finally, Oakwood Park is a vibrant community hub in New Providence, offering a perfect blend of recreation and natural beauty. Its lush greenery and children's playground create a welcoming atmosphere for families and individuals alike. The park's diverse amenities include baseball and soccer fields, catering to sports enthusiasts. For those seeking tranquility, Oakwood Park's proximity to the scenic Passaic River walking paths provides an opportunity to enjoy nature and exercise. With its rich array of features, Oakwood Park is a cherished community asset. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking to buy or sell a home in New Jersey, my contact information is in the description and I'd be happy to help.